In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shipping label in QuickBooks Accountant. Shipping labels are a simple way to prepare packages efficiently, reduce mistakes, and keep shipments organized and trackable. I'll walk you through the process step by step and add a few helpful tips along the way. First, sign in to QuickBooks Accountant. If you're just practicing or don't want to work in a live file yet, you can open the sample company. Otherwise, open your client's company file so the label ties to the correct customer information. Next, head to the New button, which you'll find in the top left or on the left sidebar, depending on your layout. This is your central hub for common tasks. Choosing this path brings all your shipping options into one place, so you can move quickly when you're preparing multiple packages in a row. From the drop-down, select Shipping Label. This opens the label entry screen where you'll enter the shipment details. Start with the customer field and pick the customer receiving the package. QuickBooks will pull in their saved address if it's on file. Take a moment to verify the address for accuracy, including apartment or suite numbers and zip codes, clean addresses, reduce delivery delays, and extra fees. Choose the package type next: envelope, box, or another format. Match this to the actual packaging you're using, so your carrier gets the right dimensions and handling instructions. Enter the package weight as accurately as possible. If you have a postal scale, use it. Even small differences can affect pricing and speed. For shipping service, select the carrier and level you prefer: USPS, FedEx, UPS, or another supported option. Consider the balance of speed and cost here. For time-sensitive deliveries, a priority or expedited option can be worth it. For routine shipments, a ground or economy service often saves money. Add a memo or note if you want internal tracking, such as a project code, order reference, or a reminder like "Ship today." This note won't affect the label itself, but it can help your team stay aligned. When everything looks good, click Save and Print to generate the shipping label. QuickBooks will prepare the label for your printer, so make sure you've loaded the right label paper or standard paper, depending on your setup. If you're processing several orders, repeat the same flow. Using the New button keeps it fast and consistent. That's all it takes. You've created a shipping label in QuickBooks Accountant, verified the details, selected the best service, and printed it with confidence. Practice in the sample company if you need a dry run, and you'll be ready to handle real shipments smoothly.